Tara.
Kasi ito, Barbs.
Oh, tang ina, patay.
Natago yan, boy.
Nakatago nga.
Kasi dito sa likod ng may building.
Yeah, sige lang.
Pupush yan.
Which side?
On my side, likod nga ng main building. Oh my god.
No, I mean, like, which...
Ayun, patay na.
Left or right, puta?
Left or right, likod ng main building, left or right.
Yan.
Oh my God. Uy!
Not
Ba't mo inano?
Ay!
Kasi kumuha lang ako ng wood.
Oh my god.
Oh, kailangan na natin ang oven core. Sige. Yun, nakapasok.
Ano, hindi ka sasakay? Ganun na lang?
Ito na ako. Oh.
Babaga tayo. Uy, puti mo! Ay, gago! Uy, gago! Ay!
Wag gaga. Unti na lang.
Wala kayo dyan, natulog na ako. Masunod na ako ga. Gago!
Lagot ang tayo.
Likod ng chair.
Dapat ako rin gagalaw.
Atin sa'yo, Daniel. Or nakatingin kay Malvin. Diyan ka lang, Malda.
Yeah.
Magtingin na lang kayo.
He's pushing you.
Barilan mo na kaya.
Me.
Stay, si Mal.
Wait, check. I can see.
Sa puno, coconut tree, Ayun. O. Bilis!
I just shot.
Shush.
Ano, shush? Let's go! Dahil ako, Prio!
Ayun, malit.
Oh, my God.
Patay.
Bilisan niyo. Last scene shot dyan mo di sa'yo.
The ones. Headshot!
Dead ba yun?
Headshot siya, boy!
Close, Bill. Close sa akin. Building. Recycler.
Pushing! Huwag kang magsalita.
Ina,
kumain
Captain
ka.
Malvin.
Kaya ko din team mo.
Yun.
Ang ina.
Try nyo muna, Mal, please.
Mal!
What? What do you mean?
Pasok ko muna dito, boss mo sa kitty. Baka may makita siyang makuha. Oh my God, this guy is so fucking idiot! You're so out of place, bro!
Just casually getting verbally abused, bro.
Go.
Wait.
Look down.
Tata, oy.
Saan ka ba? Sino ka ba?
Si Natoy. Ako to, si Natoy.
Mahal ka.
Wala ka ng bala. I don't have money. I don't have bullets.
Go!
Boy, mali, boy. Push.
Si Kitty, tawa na lang tawag, pati na lang tumulong.
The some site Disabled defender.
You're...
Hindi ko na ma-hold.
Push it eh. Nagja-jump ako.
You're gonna die. Ang galing ng dalawa.
Why you guys push me?
Kitty Gaming.
Kill ka namin?
Kill me, I'm under the water.
Tabi dyan.
Under the water?
Ayun na.
Stop!
Stop!
Bigat roadkill.
Gago.
Natay, dog. You need to die.
I witnessed a modo. I witnessed a
Rick.
modo.
Putang ina mo, Floki, gago. Puta, sino? Sino yun? Totoo ba?
Kala mo pala kauna.
Dapat ako sa hotel.
Iniwan ako ng jowa ko!
Tayo, boss.
Tayo, boss. Nagalit. Binago.
Ay nga!
Uy, putang ina niya. Gago.
Ay, ito yung bitch, boy. Ito yung bitch.
Bulaga!
Wala na, makasira na yung ano
Ay,
natin.
hindi matay. Ah, nurse. Hindi matay po siya, nurse.
Argo came out again? Wala pa rin heli?
Kung ano yung bawal, yun pa yung masarap.
Putang inang pagsabi mo yan.
Ba't parang si Baris nilapit sa ganun?
Bro, I'm so dry right now, bro. You know how dry I am.
Ako boy, one hit na lang ako.
Sige lang. Ay, joke lang. Wag.
Ay, wala na, ayoko na, quit. Altepor.
Guys, what are you doing? Why you raid my base? What is this problem, guys?
Oh! Patay ko! Makikilagig.
Loot!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Yo!
Uy, di mo gumagana yung ano ko. Chad!
Bro, it's night time. Your solar panel is off, bro.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, no?
Ulul. Faster, Banex. So cold.
Faster, Banex.
Banex faster!
Yeah,
Aroy!
I'm almost. I'm coming. Wrong
That's
hole.
actually how Banex sounds like. That's actually how
Wrong
Banex
door.
sounds like in the bedroom. 100%.
Oh, how did you know, Malvin?
Proven and tested, Bill. You were there. Hello?
What the fuck?
What?
Like that, huh?
The fuck? Sino to? Boba masyad. Ang pangit mo! Tangina. I just witnessed a crime.
Oh, you were watching.
I just
Kiri. You say nothing.
No!
You say nothing. No witnesses.
Need to find a therapist, someone reason, someone loses. We just had to say our love was true, but it still become alive. Thank you, everyone. Tell you I love you one last time, and goodbye. Thank you.
Very good.
Nice one,
bro.
Banex.
Very
Thank you.
good. Very good, bro.
Round of applause.
Yep.
Very good.
Very good, bro.
Good job. Proud of you.